Finite verbs in Yorùbá: run, sáré, sleep, sùn, go, lọ, come, wá, wait, dúró, talk, sọ̀rọ̀. Our ebooks are selling fast. If you'd like to get a copy of yours, kindly send a DM. Call, pè, start, bẹ̀rẹ̀, fly, fò, walk, rìn, sing, kọrin, dance, jó, work, ṣiṣẹ́, sit, jókòó, play, ṣeré, remember, rántí, jump, bẹ́, read, kàwé, bathe, wẹ̀. What verb would you like to know how to say in Yoruba? Kindly put it in the comment and I'll tell you how to say it. Now look at this. When you want to get the negative statement from any of these verbs, you just add ma. So we have ma plus any finite verb, it gives you a negative statement. Just like the examples we have here. Ma plus lo gives us don't go, which is malo. Malo. Ma plus sorrow gives us don't talk, which is masoro. Masoro.